Welcome to Gmail course English. First of all, I will scroll it down. So we have Gmail course. So this is the essential training of Gmail. Whether you are a student or a business owner, Gmail is very important for us. So there is the entire lectures series like how to share Google Drive files in Gmail, how to use Gmail settings, how to create templates, manage Gmail account, secure Gmail account, then attach mail on Gmail account. Then we will talk about use mail track, schedule mail, editing contacts in Google Contacts. Then we will talk about some of the features like how to create labels, find related mails, organize Gmail, receive mail in same label every time. Then we will talk about how to use Gmail offline, enable preview pane, enable vacation autorespondent. Then we will talk about how to find old date mail in Gmail. So this is a systematic learning of Gmail course. So what are you waiting for? Let's subscribe this course.